So where we headed today? I'm gonna take y'all with me on another film adventure. We're up in Milwaukee. We're gonna go up a little bit more northwest. It's fall time. We finally got some hoodie weather. There's a place called Holy Hill. It's a nice church, way up on a hill, nice view. We're gonna fire up the drone and we're gonna see what we see. Let's get it. Okay, we made it to Wisconsin. Behind me, you can't really see it, but there's a hill there. A little bit behind it, there's Holy Hill. Nice church, nice structure. So of course, we're gonna see what we see.